Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a 118D M Sport Sports Hatch, finished in Misano Blue Metallic. The front headlights and fog lights are LED, increasing your visibility and making you more visible to other traffic when visibility may be low. It has 18-inch M double-spoke bi-colour alloy wheels. As it's an M Sport car, it has the M Sport suspension, lowering the car by 10mm, and it has a more direct suspension setup for dynamic and sporty driving. In the rear windows, it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. It has a top speed of 135 mph, and with 150 horsepower, it can get from 0 to 62 in 8.5 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the black with blue highlight Dakota leather with perforation upholstery and front heated sport seats. Essential for driving in the winter is their quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 118D M Sport Sports Hatch, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.